All right, work class. Okay, so you have an x squared minus y squared is equal to 39. Okay, now this follows difference of two squares. Now, if you're having a squared minus b squared, okay, you can write this as a plus b multiplying a minus b. Okay, now let's apply this concept to our equation. So you're going to have x plus y, okay, multiplying x minus y is equal to 39. All right, now what we do here is to look for two numbers that will multiply and give you 39. So we have 39 times 1, we have 1 times 39, okay, this is 3, okay, we have 39 times 1, 1 times 39, we also have 3 times 13, okay, 3 times 13, we also have 13 times 3. Okay, now from the equation, we can say that x plus y is greater than x minus y. Okay, so the first part is greater than the second part. Okay, so the first part here, okay, is greater than the second part. Okay, so this applies throughout. Okay, now if that is the case, then we can say that this will not hold and this will also not hold. Okay, so we are going to have x, okay, we're going to have x plus y, okay, x minus y, x minus y is equal to, okay, 39 times 1 as case 1, okay, and then we're going to have x plus y multiplying x minus y is equal to 13 times 3 as case 2. Okay, so this is what you're going to have. All right, let's proceed. So let's start with case 1. So case 1, okay, this is so in case 1 we can say, or from case 1 we can say x plus y is equal to 39. Okay, and then x minus y is equal to 1. All right, now let's solve this. So we are going to add these two equations. So you're going to have 2x is equal to 40. Okay, so you divide here by 2, here by 2. So 2 goes here, 20. Okay, so you're going to have x is equal to 20. Okay, now let's put x is equal to 20 to any of the equations in case 1 and then find the value for y. Okay, now you can name your equations when you are solving. Okay, so let's say from case 1 we know that, okay, x minus y should give us 1. Now we know the value of x to be 20. Okay, so we say that 20 minus y should give us 1. Okay, so you know that 20 minus 1 is equal to y. So y is equal to 19. Okay, now let's do this. Okay, now we need to put the value of x and y into the equation, the original equation, and see if we are going to get a result. So let's check the original equation. So we have x squared minus 39, x squared minus y squared is equal to 39. All right, now before we even do that, okay, let's write x and y, x and y is equal to 20 and then 19. Now before we even test our equations, okay, our original equation, let's solve case 2, okay. So let's go back to case 2. Okay. All right. Okay. So you can say from case 2, from case 2, we can say that x plus y, okay, multiplying x minus y should give us 13 times 3. All right, so you're going to have x plus y is equal to 13, and then have x minus y is equal to 3. So let's add these two. Okay, now when we add, we are going to have 2x is equal to 16. Okay, so we divide here by 2, here by 2. So 2 goes here, 8. We have x is equal to 8. Now let's put 8, x is equal to 8 into any of the equations in case 2 and then find the value for y. Okay, so we know that from case 2, x minus y should give us 3. Now we know the value of x to be 8. So we're going to have 8 minus y is equal to 3. Okay, so you're going to have 8 minus 3 is equal to y. So y is equal to 5. Are you there? All right. Now here we need to test our equations, okay? Our original equation. So let's go back and check our original equation. Okay, so you can see we have x squared minus y squared. Okay, so from the original equation, we have x squared minus y squared is equal to 39. It's equal to 39. Okay, all right. Now let's do this here. Okay, so we know that this is the same as okay, so let's put in the values for case 2. Okay, so you have x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 5. So you're going to have 8 plus 5. Okay, 8 minus what? 5. So equal to 39. You're going to have, this gives us 13. So we say therefore case 2 satisfies the equation. All right, now let's check for case 1. Okay, all right. So in case 1, we have 20 and 19 as respective values for x and y. Okay,